Good morning, dear student. In my previous video, yesterday, that means I have explained you about introduction. I have given introduction of playing with numbers. In that introduction, I have explained you about the original number, how does it form, and how the reverse number of that is formed. Okay, that is 10a plus b is the, if it is a original number, then reverse number will be 10b plus a. What we do, we change the digits of unit place and tens place. Okay, that I have explained you in my introductory video. After that, I have explained you question number 1 of exercise 5.1. okay, I have given you full explanation of that. Hopefully you all have understand it. Okay, now today we will take up the third question of exercise 5.1. I have written here in the board, this is question number 3 of exercise 5.1. okay, see here, first we will read the question very carefully. Okay, the sum of a number of 2 digit and the number formed by reversing the digit is 110. That means what it is saying, the sum of a 2 digit number, that means 10a plus b is a 2 digit number equation, and the number formed by reversing the digit, that means 10b plus a. Okay, if we will sum both the numbers, we will have 110. okay, the sum of 2 digit number and the number reverse, if we will add, we will have 110. okay, so original number will be 10a plus b, and reverse number will be what, 10b plus a. okay, so see here, according to the first equation, what we will have, 10a plus b, okay, sorry, 10a plus b, in one bracket if we will place it, then 10b plus a. This is the reverse number and original number. When add up, the result is 110. okay, the equation is saying this only. Now we will solve it. okay, when we will open the bracket and solve, what we will see, we will see that there is a few term will plus and few term 10a plus 10a plus a will give 11a, and 10b plus b will give 11b equals to 110. And if we will take 11 as a common from here, so 11, if we will take common from a plus b, then what happen, 11 in bracket a plus b equals to 110, and a plus b will be equals to 110 divided by 11. This 11 is in multiply, will come to the other side, it will come in the divide. So 11 10 ja 110. Now equation is a plus b equals to 10. This is the first equation we have formed. okay, this is the first equation we have formed. From the first equation, from the till 110, okay, 110 तक का जो इक्वेशन दे रखी है, उससे हमने पहली इक्वेशन बना ली. ओके, व्हाट, 10a plus b ओरिजिनल नंबर, रिवर्स नंबर 10b plus a. in question it is written, if we will add 2 digit number and number reverse, 2 digit number is 10a plus b, reverse number is 10b plus a, we will have 110. And then when we will open the bracket and solve it, what we have seen, that 11a plus 11b equals to 110. Now what we have taken, what we have done, we have taken 11 as a common from a and b, because in a and b both side we will have 11. So we have taken 11 as a common. So what happened, a plus b equals to 110. So this 11 will when go to the other side, what happened, it will come into the divide. So it will divide and a plus b equals to 10. okay, now what we will do, we will take out the value of b. So value of b will be what, 10 minus a. okay, value of b is 10 minus a from here. Value of b is 10 minus a. A will go on to other side, will subtract. So the value of b is 10 minus a. Now what we will do, we will read further the question. Further is, it is written in question, and the difference of digit is 6. Difference of digit is 6. So what are the digits? Digits are a and b. We have taken in original number 10 into a plus b. Here b is in unit place digit, a is tens place digit. Okay, so digit are a and b right here. digits are A and B. Okay, so now what it is written, the difference of digit is 6, that means A minus B is 6. This is second equation. A minus B is 6. This is second equation. Now what we will do, we will substitute the value of B. Okay, put value of B from equation 1 in equation 2. Okay, so this is the value of B from equation 1, and what we will do, we will put the value of B in equation 2, that means in place of B. Okay, so A minus B equals to 6. So A minus, we will put the value of B. Value of B is 10 minus A. 10 minus A equals to 6. Now what we will do, we will open the bracket and solve A minus 10, and minus minus will what happen, will become plus again, equals to 6. So A plus A, 2A minus 10 equals to 6. 2A equals to 10 will go on that side, will add up 6 plus 10. So 2A equals to 16. So value of A is 16 upon 2, that is 2 8 ja 16. So value of A is what? 8. Value of A is 8. Now what we will do, we will put the value of A in any of the equation. See here, put value of A in equation second. Suppose I have kept the value of A in equation 2. किसी भी equation में रख दें, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. So A minus B equals to 6. Value of A is 8. 8 minus 6 is equals to 8 minus B is equals to 6. So minus B equals to 6 minus 8. So minus B is equals to 6 minus 8 will be minus 2. So minus and minus will cancel out. The value of B is 2. Okay. Value of B is not 2. So what is the original number? The original number will be what? 10 A plus B. So in place of A, what we will do? In place of B, what we will do? In place of B, we will place the value of A, that is 8, and value of A, that is 8, and value of B is 2. So 10 plus 8, 80 plus 2, 82 is the answer. The number is what? 82. 82 is the number formed. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 5.1. क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है? सम ऑफ नंबर ऑफ 2 डिजिट, 2 डिजिट का नंबर और उसका रिवर्स नंबर है ना, मतलब जो 2 डिजिट का नंबर फॉर्म हुआ 10A प्लस बी, और उसका रिवर्स नंबर हमने डिजिट को क्या कर दिया? रिवर्स कर दिया. बी को ए की प्लेस में, ए को बी की प्लेस में कर दिया. ये हम समझा चुके हैं, है ना. तो ये नंबर क्या हो गया? ओरिजिनल नंबर और रिवर्स नंबर की इक्वेशन बन गई. दोनों को क्या कह रहा है? ऐड कर दे तो हमें रिजल्ट कितना होना चाहिए? 110. तो जैसा क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है हमें वैसे ही करना है ना. तो क्वेश्चन जब हम अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे तो हमको खुद समझ में आ जाएगा इक्वेशन कैसे बनानी है. तो 10A प्लस बी प्लस 10B प्लस ए इक्वल्स टू 110. हमने इसको ब्रैकेट में डाला जिसमें कोई कन्फ्यूजन ना हो. फिर ब्रैकेट हम खोलेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे. 10A प्लस ए क्या हो जाएगा? 11A. B प्लस 10B 11B इक्वल्स टू 110. 11 वी विल टेक कॉमन, यहाँ पे कॉमन ले लेंगे, ब्रैकेट में A प्लस बी इक्वल्स टू 110. 11 उधर जाएगा, इधर मल्टीप्लाई में उधर जाएगा तो डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. A प्लस बी 110 डिवाइड बाई 11, 10 आ गया. सो A प्लस बी इक्वल्स टू 10. ये पहली इक्वेशन बन गई, है ना. यहाँ से हम B की वैल्यू निकाल लें क्योंकि हमें आगे रखना पड़ेगा सेकंड इक्वेशन में. B की वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 10. A उधर जाएगा, 10 माइनस A हो गई B की वैल्यू तुम्हारी, है ना. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ B. ठीक है. अब क्या किया हमने आगे देख रहे हैं क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा हुआ है. एंड द डिफरेंस ऑफ डिजिट इज 6. डिजिट क्या थी हमारी? डिजिट हमने A और B लिया था पहले ओरिजिनल नंबर रिवर्स नंबर फॉर्म करने के लिए. इनका डिफरेंस 6 बता रहा है तो A माइनस बी इक्वल्स टू 6, है ना. ये दूसरी इक्वेशन हो गई. अब यहाँ से हम B की वैल्यू जो निकालें वो हम यहाँ पे रख देंगे दूसरी इक्वेशन में. देख रहे हो A माइनस बी इक्वल्स टू 6. A माइनस बी की जगह हमने 10 माइनस ए मतलब B की वैल्यू रख दी ब्रैकेट लगाकर, क्योंकि बाहर माइनस है, ब्रैकेट लगाएंगे साइन चेंज होंगे, इससे कोई कन्फ्यूजन ना क्रिएट हो, इस वजह से ब्रैकेट लगाना बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है. इक्वल्स टू 6. फिर हम क्या किए? ब्रैकेट ओपन किए तो -10 एंड माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस इक्वल्स टू 6. नाउ A विल ऐड विद A. 2A माइनस 10 इक्वल्स टू 6. 2a इक्वल्स टू 10 विल गो ऑन द अदर साइड, 10 जब उस तरफ जाएगा माइनस में है, उधर जाएगा प्लस में हो जाएगा, 2a इक्वल्स टू 16 हो जाएगा। a की वैल्यू 8 आ गई है ना। अब a की वैल्यू 8 आ गई, इसको हम क्या करेंगे, इसको हम किसी भी इक्वेशन में रख दें, चाहे इक्वेशन नंबर 2 चाहे इक्वेशन नंबर 1, आंसर सेम आना है। हमने 2 में रख दिया है ना, a माइनस बी इक्वल्स टू 6, a की वैल्यू 8 हमने a की जगह रख दिया, माइनस बी इक्वल्स टू 6, माइनस बी 8 विल गो ऑन द अदर साइड, प्लस में है उधर जाएगा माइनस में हो जाएगा, 6 माइनस 8 इक्वल्स टू -2, माइनस माइनस विल कैंसिल आउट, b की वैल्यू आ गई 2। अब ओरिजिनल नंबर क्या है, 10a प्लस बी हम लेकर चले थे, a और b की जगह हम उसकी वैल्यू रख दें, 10 इंटू 8 प्लस 2, a की वैल्यू 8, b की वैल्यू 2 रख दिया, आंसर आ गया 82। ओके, क्लियर। सो एक्सरसाइज 5.1 आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू, I have given you first question explanation in my previous video. This is the equation number 3rd and hardly we have 7 questions. So rest of the question you try by your own. Okay, method is same. You have to try by your own. If any problem you can ask me. Now see exercise 5.2. Now we will move to exercise 5.2. 5.2 is very easy exercise. Only you have to check the divisibility. And divisibility rule you all have studied in class 6th also. Okay, and class 7th also you all have studied. Okay, so this is not a new chapter for you, new exercise for you. Okay, you all have studied. Okay, divisibility. Okay, so what is the divisibility of 2? You all know the unit in place of unit digit will always be a even number or 0, then that number will be divisible by 2. If in a number the unit place or unit digit will have even number or 0, then that number is divisible by 2. For example, if we will take an example, okay, for example we will have 36, 2, 9, 8, 4, 6, okay, 3, 7, 7, 3, 1, 5, okay, then we will have suppose 0. Okay, so all these are the example of divisibility of 2. Why? Because in unit place we will have even numbers. See here, in everywhere in unit place we will have even number or 0, so these are divisible by 2. Okay, it is very easy. Now see divisibility of 3. Okay, in divisibility of 3 what happen, sum of all digit must be divisible by 3. Must be divisible by 3. Sum of all digit must be divisible by 3. For example, है ना, इसमें क्या कह रहा है, 3 की डिविजिबिलिटी कैसे चेक करते हैं, जितनी भी डिजिट्स हैं 3 में, जो भी नंबर है उनको हम ऐड कर दें, अगर वो 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो उसका मतलब वो नंबर 3 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी विल हैव 363 suppose we will have. Okay, so what we will do, we will add the digit of the number is 363, we will add the digit. So 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, and we know that 12 is divisible by 3. Okay, when 12 is divisible by 3, that means the number is also divisible by 3. So this is the example of divisibility of 3. Now see divisibility of 4. Okay, divisibility of 4. See here, divisibility of 4. Tens place along with unit place. The number formed must be divisible by 4. Okay, in number the tens place and unit place number, when we will join the number if divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. For example, see the example, you will understand it more clearly. Suppose we will have 3, 2, 1, okay, 6. 3, 2, 1, 6. If we will have a number, we will check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. What I have said, in tens place along with the unit place. That means tens place we will have 1, okay, and in unit place we will have 6. So if we will take it together, so together it is a 16, and we know that 16 is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 4. Okay, see the other example, 5 7, okay, 3 6. If we will have 5 7 3 6, what we are seeing, we will take a tens, we will see the tens place digit and a unit place digit, and what we will see in a tens place and unit place both together we will have 36 in a number, and 36 is divisible by 4. Okay, 36 is divisible by 4, 4 9 is 36. So therefore what happened, the number is divisible by 4. So this is the divisibility of 4. Okay, and 5, the divisibility of 5. Now see all of you, divisibility of 5. 5 is very easy. The last in unit place there must be 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. For example, we will have 370, 425, all these are divisible by 5. Why? Because in unit place we will have 0 or 5. So this is the divisibility of 5, very easy, you all know that. Divisibility of 6, see, divisibility of 6, the number if divisible by 2 and 3 both, then that number is divisible by 6 also, divisible by 6 also. Okay, when a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then that number is divisible by 6 also. For example, see, we will have suppose we will have a 36. So 36 is divisible by 2. Why? Because we will have a 6 in a unit place, so divisible by 2. Okay, so divisible by 2, and 36, 3 plus 6, we will have 9. Okay, 36 in 3 plus 6 we will have, and 9 is divisible by 3, so divisible by 3 also, divisible by 3 also. When a number is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3, दोनों ही नंबर से डिवाइड होना चाहिए, तब वो क्या है, that means it is also divisible by 6. That means it is also divisible by 6. Okay, when a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then that number is also divisible by 6. Okay, now see the divisibility of 8. We need to study 8, not 7. It is 8 in your course. Okay, so in 8 what happens, we will see that in number we will see what, we will see 100th place, 10th place and unit place. So all 100th place, 10th place and unit place all together we will a number will form of 3-digit number, and if that number is divisible by 8, then that number is also divisible by 8. It is much more similar as a divisibility of 4. For example, see here, for example, we will have 5 7 1 9 0 and 3 6. Okay, 3 2. Suppose this we will have. So what we will see, we will see the number in 100th place. So in 100th place we will have 0, then 10th place we will have 3, and at unit place we will have 2. So all together the number form 0 3 2, and it is divisible by 8 or not. So we will see 0, किसी भी नंबर के पहले 0 तो मतलब वो क्या है, बेकार है, 0 का कोई मतलब नहीं. So 8 is divisible by 32, we will have 4. So yes, it is divisible by 8. So number is also divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. Okay, why? Because at 100th place, 10th place and unit place all together a number form 032, and we will check the divisibility of 8 here. Okay, and what we will see, we are seeing that yes, it is divisible by 4, then number is divisible by we are saying the number is divisible by 8, then the number is also divisible by 8. So this is the divisibility of 8. Now see the divisibility of 9. Okay, 9. So in 9 what we will see? We will sum of the digit if divisible by 9, then that number is also divisible by 9. Then that number is also divisible by 9. Okay, see here, if sum of all the digits if divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. For example, see here, 3, 7, 2, okay, see here the number is 37215. Okay, what we will see, we will check the divisibility of 9. For that what we will do, we will sum the digit of sum of all the digits. We will sum of all digits. So 7 plus 3 10 plus 2 12 plus 1 13 plus 5 equals to 18, and we know that 18 is divisible by 9. Okay, we know that 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore the number 37215 is also divisible by 9. It is also divisible by 9. Okay, so what we will do, it is much similar to the like a divisibility of 3. What we will do, we will sum of all the digits and try to divide it by 9, and if it is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. So all these are the divisibility which we have to put up in the exercise 5.2. Okay, I have explained each and every divisibility. Now you have to solve exercise 5.2. Okay, and exercise 5.3 is trick based. Okay, so try to solve that also exercise. If any problem, you can ask me also. Okay, it is mostly trick based. Okay, you can solve it. If you will see few examples of exercise 5.3, it will more easily understand by you. Okay, so this is the chapter 5 playing with number is now over. Okay, try to solve the exercise, and if any problem you can ask me. Okay, thank you.